big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know,
we got some catfish nuggets and some veggies. Yes, sir. We're gonna do some catfish nuggets cooked in my air fryer. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go with some Old Bay seasoning, some lemon juice, paprika, and some sazon. Okay. So I was gonna fry these guys, but I decided not to since the HelloFresh videos. I've been getting a little bit healthier, so I'm gonna run these guys in the air fryer. I'm gonna add our vegetables, but first we're gonna season them all up, and then we're gonna put these guys on a plate of rice. All right, let's get started. Going over here, we know what time it is with that. It's already boiling. Gonna get it started. That's 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Oil, salt. Stir it around, make sure it's good. Get it back to a boil. There you go. Just plain rice or white rice. Okay. All right, now we can take it and cover it up. We put it on low. And they let it right out. Fish. The olive oil on top. Yes, sir. Around. Make sure it's all over all of it. And also spray a little butter on it, which I'll probably do once it gets in the air fryer, but I just want to make sure it's coated. Okay. We're going to take our paprika. Yes, sir. And we're going to take our, I probably should have put the lemon juice on first, but hey. The obe. There you go, obe. Take our lemon juice. A tablespoon. Do the obe. And last but not least, some sazon. All right. Get it on there. There we go. Nice. We're all mixed around in here. There we go. There we go. I think the interest is already. I'm gonna bring that over here. I'm gonna transition these into the air fryer. I'll place them there. Got these guys in here. And then we're gonna add some onion. Some onions. Okay. A few bell pepper. The green and the red for now. I'm gonna actually half of these up. So I want them a little bit crispy once they're finished. Okay. And a little tomatoes. All right, I'm gonna run a little bit more obe in here. Nice seasoning. It smells good, guys, already. Yes, sir. That's it. On the air fryer. Close it up. I have a fish option on here. Let's see. Here we go. Fish option. 360 at 15 minutes. So let's just take it and see how it goes. Oops, sorry. Roll back to fish. There we go. There we go. All right. I know I just jumped right in and got started. What I'm to do is air fry some catfish nuggets. Of course, I added the vegetables. I didn't want to really, I wanted to fry them, but since we're on this healthy tip, I figured, let's try some air fried fish and let's make a meal of it. So here we are. 16 by 20 minutes, and this is how we look so far. We're about 3 minutes into it. They smell really, really good. So I got the bell pepper, the onion, and the the red pepper and the tomatoes. And of course it has the Old Bay seasoning with sprinkled with some lemon juice. Yes, sir. So let's get this guy going again. All right. And our rice is just about finished. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. Just doing Hello Fresh. I have learned a new technique. So we're gonna do that chili dip. It's basically mayo and sweet chili sauce together. I probably put too much in here, but hey, we'll work this out. Yeah, look at that. It looks good, actually. My favorite little mayo, real mayo, and real hot, fresh red hot sweet chili. All right, catfish. That looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Just about ready. I'm leaving here just a little bit longer. I want the catfish to crisp up a little bit more. So far, it's been 20 minutes. The rice is good to go. Just waiting on me. We have our rice. The rice has arrived. All right, the rice is here. We got a catfish here. Actually, let me move this a bit closer. Catfish here. A bit closer. There we go. Go ahead and plate it up. Okay. Okay. Some veggies in there. Okay. Yeah. So we went almost 30 minutes on this catfish, mainly because it was so much. Okay. You take a spoon and you smear it. Is that how they do it? You dot it, you smear it, I don't know. But the main thing is to go on top of the rice. Go on top of the rice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just about there. You gotta take your green. You want your green? Right, your green. On top of it. Yeah. And I think we're in the house, guys. I think we're in the house. Let's give this a taste. Here we are. Let's give this guy a taste, a taste, a taste. There's the catfish nuggets. There we go. I know what catfish is an acquired taste. Definitely understand that. That rice and that chili mayo, really good. Rice and that chili mayo is really good. Oh yeah, let's get this thing going. Here we go. All together with the tomatoes, the peppers, and the fish and the rice and that sauce. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Remember, catfish has a distinct flavor, so If you can't handle that flavor, buyer beware. So you can always do this with some tilapia nuggets or some whiting. You do the same thing. Easy recipe as you saw. The air fryer did all the work. Only thing you had to do is initiate it and put it together. Of course, the rice, easy to fix rice. So yeah, remember, cafe has a distinct flavor. I keep saying that because sometimes I like catfish, sometimes I don't. But tonight, coupled with this, it's not bad. I'm still here plugging away at it. It's really good. Yes, sir. It's good. Really good. That chili mayo is really good. I think you probably put that on some sandwiches or something. We'll just combine the two. Yeah. Guys, that is it for this video. But I pray you guys are doing well. Yes, the catfish is something we made up. Something I had in the freezer, and I had some vegetables to use. So if I can do it, you can do it. Simple, put together, throw it in the air fryer, and there you go. Something delicious and something different, and mostly nutritious. So stick with it. Hey, but thank you for rocking with your boy. I'm gonna see you guys next video. Peace.